Hi everybody, we're back with more Revit training, and today we're continuing on with our project here, our precast model that we've been working on with the multi-discipline template. So today we're going to focus on level 1. We've been all over the place, and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It helps you create these videos for you guys on a regular basis. So anyway, let's move on. So today I'm going to focus on these floors. Now they're a little different in 2026. I don't know when they changed, but I normally didn't do my floors this way. So let's have a look at how this is done. That's probably a good thing if you're getting used to it. But if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. All right, and you go to the beginning to see how this has been going along. So first of all, we got our first floor here. It's covered up on this view because this is plank on the top. So I'm gonna just dive right in here in this view, and we're gonna create our floor. So I'm gonna go to my architecture floor. And I'm going to just do a 6-inch concrete straight through here. Actually, just go from here all the way across. Normally I would go room to room, but we want to do this because this is going to be slab on grade. And then I'll finish it. Okay, no, I don't want to finish it yet. Let's unback that up a little bit. Let's just tab this view. Sorry. I want to view tab this so we can see what's going on here now. Okay, so here I want to select, maybe I can just do this. Select it, edit boundary, and I'm getting my span, which is going in this direction, the shorter direction. That's always the case. So I'm going to finish that. And I don't want to attach. So now we've got our floors here. So what I want to do now is I want to create parts for this floor. So I'm going to select this create parts, and I want to select the whole floor here, and I want to divide the parts. So first of all, let's go with the bathroom. So I'm going to go this one. Let's do a shape. I think we can do multiple. Let me see, I'm going to do this one here. And let's do, oh yeah, we can. So I'm going to do 2 of these at once because they're going to be the both same finish. And then I'm going to hit the check mark and finish these 2 shapes. Actually, let's do the lunchroom as well because this is probably going to be tile as well. If that'll work for us. And I'm going to finish that. Okay, so now we finish it. So we should be able to select those parts, which we can right there. There's that one. And here I want to say it says by original material. Original, we don't want to check that. We want to give it a new material. So I'm going to go in here. And I'm going to call this tile, some kind of tile, anyway. Let's see, let's do this one here, yeah. I'm going to go render appearance, going to go apply, and okay. So there's that one. Okay, and now I want to grab this one and do the same. It's just a tile. This might not be bad. It just takes a little getting used to. This skin tile here. And composition. No, is that the one we used? No, that's not. Let me see. Yeah, I think that's the one. I don't. Let's go okay. Alright, so there's our tile, and then we want to do this one as well. So here, we'll select it, We want to change from original to tile. Where we had here. Let's go tile here. Okay. I haven't really created any finishes that I want, but I'm just trying this out and see how this works, and it seems to be okay, I think. Where is it? Title vinyl composition. Okay. So there are tile floors. So now we might want to do something a little different here. I guess we can leave that, the utility room, as concrete. General office, reception area, corridor, office. So here, let's do some carpet in the conference room here. So we'll select it again. We'll divide parts. And then we'll sketch here. So you guys get the feel of this. Like I said, it's a little different from what I would normally do, but I guess it works. Actually, we'll do all of this along here as carpet. Yeah, we'll do all the rest of this carpet. We might make it different colors, so we'll go carpet from here all the way through here. And then we'll finish it. Then we'll select the part. And we'll change the original, and we'll go with, let's see, let's find some carpet here. Okay, I don't know, let's see, let's try to, okay, let's add another one later, but for now, let's go with this one here. So there's our carpet, showing as dots. Let's just look at this in original colors. Consistent colors, what we have here. Oh, we already in consistent colors. Let's go with shaded view. Oh no, too dark. Textures, too dark. Okay, consistent colors. So maybe we might want to change this carpet at some point, but for now we're going to leave it there. And then here, let's go with another type of flooring. Let's go with, this is carpet here. Let's do something else in the middle here. Let's go with divide parts. I'm going to sketch here. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, now we want to finish that. Okay. Oh, I didn't grab anything. My bad. Sorry, folks. Getting used to it. So we're going to try it again. We're going to select it. We want to divide the parts, and then we want to sketch this center part. We want to finish it, and then we want to select it here, and you want to go something else from the original, and we're going to go with wood planks here. It's just key in wood. blanks. Yep. And we want to get a pattern for this. We'll just go with something like small horizontal. We can go diagonal if you want. Let's go OK. Apply. OK. So there's our wood plank. And then here, I think we might want to do carpet here and here. Let's see what this looks like in our hidden line view. Okay, so that's how we would do floors. I'm not going to go through all this because you kind of get it. Let's do something over here now. We've got this again, select this. Edit division here. And then we'll sketch something in. I'm going to just go all this in here. Reception area. No, let's do the reception area by itself. This will be carpet. We'll go reception area and then I'll finish it. Then I'll select it. And then I want to, from original. And then here, let's go with, let's go with another carpet. And let's find a carpet created in here. Carpet, okay. And then let's go and look into, let's create one. Let's go and create a new material here. Let's go into our browser. Should have copied one, duplicated it. This carpet. We'll go with this red here. It's pretty nice. Okay. It's over there now. Let's just go to rename this. Carpet red. Go apply. Okay. And that'll be the material there. Now let's see if we show that. It's consistent colors. I didn't get it. Let me see now. Hold on. Now we can go in here and I think we can adjust these. Yep, we can. Graphics. Use rendered appearance. There we go. Apply. Okay. Let me see. Realistic. There we go. So realistically, it'll show up here, and then I've got to tweak this around, but this is how this works, consistent colors. So I'm going to go and see if I can get this showing up the right way. So anyway, guys, this is how you would do your floors in Revit 2026. So we've got wood here, and then we got carpet over here. All this is going to be carpet. Actually, this is not carpet here. Let's do it one. Let's do one more here and see if we can actually see if we can make this work here. Let me see. Consistent colors. Textures. Okay, shaded view. Consistent colors. Okay. But anyway, guys, just want to leave it there, show you how to do floors in Revit. So I'm going to work on these. So we got our bathroom floor, our tile in the kitchen here. I'm going to work with these a little more. And this over here is going to be carpet, and the utility room is going to be concrete. Actually, let me do this right quick. Select this guy. Want to divide parts here. Okay. Now here, let me see, exclude divided parts. Oh, that's what's going on. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, and I'm going to work on these floors a little bit more. So everybody be safe, have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.